Our world and our body are a source of never-ending scientific facts. These strange but true facts prove that the world really is a marvelous and mysterious place. After watching this video, let us know which was the most surprising fact you learned today in the comment section. You can also send us facts like this which will be featured in our next video. So, let's get going. Here is the fact number 1. Did you know that there are more trees on Earth than stars in our galaxy? Yes, the NASA experts believe there could be anywhere from 100 billion to 400 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy. However, a 2015 paper published in the journal Nature estimated that number of trees around the world is much higher than 3.04 trillion. Clearly, trees outnumber stars. But the best part of it is, we get plenty of oxygen to breathe. Speaking of oxygen, here is our second fact. Did you know that oxygen has a color? As a gas, oxygen is odorless and colorless. But in its liquid and solid forms, however, it looks pale blue. Some scientific facts are just plain weird. I'm sure most of you didn't know this amazing fact. Now, one more thing you may not know is our fact number 3, which is only one letter doesn't appear in the periodic table. You know which is that? It is the letter J. Go ahead and double check it. We'll wait for you. Yes, now one letter in the periodic table which is radioactive is uranium. But do you know which other item you eat is radioactive? Coming to our fact number 4, that is bananas. Yes, bananas are radioactive. For one of our strangest science facts, bananas contain potassium, and since potassium decays, that makes them slightly radioactive. But it's nothing you need to worry about. You need to eat 1 crore bananas at once to die of radiation poisoning. You need to have an inhuman appetite for that. Whether you eat it or not, drink lots of water and stay hydrated. And here is our fact number 5 around water. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. This fact seems to contradict what you generally think, but it's called Mpemba effect, named after a Tanzanian student, Ernesto Mpemba. He told his teacher that a hot mixture of ice cream froze faster than a cold one. Scientists now believe this is because the velocities of water particles have a specific disposition while they are hot that allows them to freeze more readily. Let's jump from physics to biology and look at fact number 6. We have plenty of DNA. Scientists predict there are over 3 billion base pairs of DNA in human genes and over 25,000 genes in the human genome. An entire copy of that genome exists in each of the 10 trillion cells in the human body. If at all that DNA were lined up, it would cover the distance between the Earth and the Sun 100 times. Pretty cool, right? Speaking of solar systems, did you know which is the richest planet? Coming to our fact number 7, there can be diamond rains on other planets. Studies have examined the potential of Neptune, Uranus, Jupiter, and Saturn to produce diamonds. The atmosphere in all 4 planets have such extreme pressure that they can crystallize carbon atoms and turn them into diamonds. Separately, a different group of researchers speculates that it may rain as much as 2.2 million pounds of diamonds on parts of Saturn every year. This is definitely the richest of our scientific facts. While we are in space, let us look at one more interesting fact about space travel. Fact number 8, it is impossible to burp in space. When you burp on Earth, gravity keeps down the solids and liquid from the food you just ate so that only the gas escapes from your mouth. In the absence of gravity, the gas cannot separate from the liquids and solid, so burping essentially turns into puking in space. Poor astronauts have to struggle with this. Food may come out, but what's inside our body matters the most. Do you know what we are made of? Coming to fact number 9, about half of our body is bacteria. That is right. A study estimates that the human body consists of 39 trillion bacteria and 30 trillion human cells. As humans, we live on this wonderful planet, but what is there beyond our planet? Coming to fact number 10, we have no idea what most of the universe looks like. About 96% of the universe is made up of dark matter and dark energy, which are undetectable to humans. Scientists believe this is because the particles that make up these substances don't interact with regular matter or light. So, these are the 10 strange facts you never learn. Develop the habit of knowing these things and keep exploring. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share this video. Let us know which was the most surprising fact you learned today in the comment section.